Welcome to the Xylem Systems International Business English Workshop. Communication is the foundation of success, and mastering it will set you apart in today's competitive corporate landscape. This workshop, titled Foundations of Modern Corporate Communication, is designed to transform your workforce with AI-powered communication mastery. Over these 2 days, you'll engage in interactive sessions and use cutting-edge AI tools to refine your business communication skills. Let's get started. Why invest in this workshop? Why should you invest your time in this workshop? The answer is simple. Superior communication equals greater success. Communicate with clarity and confidence. Unlock your full potential and speak with assurance in any professional setting. Accelerate learning with AI. Harness the latest technology for rapid skill development and personalized improvement. Enhance workplace impact. Make meetings, emails, and presentations more effective, driving better results. Expand global opportunities. Connect and collaborate internationally with improved communication skills. This workshop is your gateway to powerful, AI-enhanced communication. Let's dive in. About the workshop. This is a 2-day intensive and interactive learning experience designed to maximize your professional development. Our format is cutting-edge, blending interactive discussions with AI-assisted learning. Who is this for? Corporate professionals, including managers, sales teams, and customer support personnel who want to enhance their communication skills. What will you gain? By the end of this workshop, you will master superior business communication skills through innovative AI-backed training, ensuring immediate practical application. Tools you will use. In this workshop, you'll be using powerful AI tools designed to enhance your communication skills. Native accent, AI-powered speech training for fluency and pronunciation. Get personalized coaching to refine your spoken English. GPT AI. Elevate your business, writing with AI-enhanced grammar and tone refinement. Craft impactful emails and professional documents effortlessly. Gamma AI. Create compelling presentations with AI-assisted storytelling. Design visually stunning and persuasive business presentations. These tools will be your key to mastering modern corporate communication. Key workshop modules, Day 1. Here's what's in store for you on Day 1 of the workshop. AI-powered speech assessment. Start with a comprehensive evaluation of your fluency and clarity using native accent. Business writing excellence. Learn to craft impactful emails and professional documents with the help of GPT AI. Corporate communication trends. Explore the latest industry trends and practice AI-assisted content development for real business scenarios. Interactive Q&A. Get your communication challenges addressed with personalized guidance from expert trainers. By the end of the day, you'll have a solid foundation to apply AI-powered communication in your workplace. Key workshop modules, Day 2. Day 2 takes your communication skills to the next level with advanced business strategies. Leadership communication. Enhance your confidence in meetings and presentations with advanced techniques. AI-driven negotiation and persuasion. Master the art of using language for business success in various scenarios. Crisis communication strategies. Learn to structure AI-enhanced professional responses in challenging situations. Gamma AI-powered business presentations. Create compelling visuals and narratives for impactful business storytelling. This will equip you with the skills to communicate like a leader in any professional environment. Continuous learning beyond the workshop. Your learning doesn't stop after these 2 days. You'll get exclusive 1-year access to AI-powered tools for continuous improvement. Native accent. AI-driven daily lessons for continued speech and pronunciation growth. GPT AI-powered writing assistant. Draft emails, reports, and proposals with ongoing AI support. Gamma AI for corporate storytelling. Keep creating professional, AI-enhanced presentations for long-term success. On-site program manager support. Get hands-on assistance in applying your new skills in the workplace. With these resources, your communication mastery will continue to evolve beyond this workshop. Why choose Xylem Systems? Why choose Xylem Systems for your communication training? Expert-led training, backed by AI research from Carnegie Mellon University, ensuring cutting-edge methodologies. Proven success, over 300-plus English language labs installed across India, demonstrating our extensive experience. Tailored corporate training. Custom solutions designed specifically for teams and organizations to meet their unique needs. Innovative AI-powered education. We blend AI with practical business communication for accelerated learning and real results. Your communication journey is in expert hands with Xylem Systems. Contact us. Register your team today. Ready to empower your team with cutting-edge corporate communication skills. Call us at +91 924 461 1432. Email us at admin@xylemsys.com. Visit our website at www.xylemsys.com. Our chief trainer, Mr. Ramesh Rao, and the expert Xylem Systems team are here to guide you on your journey to corporate communication excellence. We look forward to seeing you at the workshop.